Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Sennheiser CX200 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Bluetooth button on your keyboard and write Bluetooth. Now click enter, and right here you should click add Bluetooth or other device. Bluetooth again. Now open the charging case and remove your headphones from the charging case. Press and hold both of touch areas until this LED light starts flashing blue. Here we go. Now we should see it at the device list. Click on it and then click done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!